Hello everyone, this video is about new 2021 Ford GT Heritage Edition. So let's start. The Ford GT is the only American car to win the Le Mans and Ford Performance is taking this panically even further with the new Heritage Edition and the all-new Studio Collection package with more exclusivity and design enhancement. Inspired by the 1966 Ford GT40 MK2, the all-new 2021 GTA Heritage Edition features frozen white exterior paint with exposed carbon fiber hood, adding stark contrast. Asymmetrical race red accents on the front facing and roof edge, driver side door and underneath the rear wing add distinct visuals while exposed carbon fiber shapes the signature's 98 roundel graphics and speak to the supercar's lightweight body. A unique Ford graphics on the lower rear quarter panel plus one piece heritage gold 20-inch forged aluminum wheel paired with red lacquered Brembo monoblock brakes clippers complete this new exterior livery. Inside the lightweight driver-centric interior features unique appointments including black Alcantara suite wrapping the instrument panel, headliners and steering wheel rims, while anodized red paddle shifters and red Alcantara suite performance seats add dramatic contrast for the interior. So take a look of this car, guys. If you like this car, please let me know in the comment section. So today we are comparing Discovery Sports versus Range Rover Evoque. So take a look at these. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and most importantly, please subscribe.